What's something that you're supposed to like, but that you actually find slightly annoying?
What's wrong?
This is why he has no brains. Oh my god, it's gonna go flying at me. I already know it.
What's up? Give me dabs, Luna. All right. Gone. Butterfly in the sky. I can get twice as high. It's in a boy. Bang bang your dad. Bang bang your dad.
No, right, excuse me, if you get it,
When you don't want to leave the park. OMG, so dramatic.
Yeah. Bang. Oh.
What is that?
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
Open the door. Dazzy. Look, Dazzy's eating the carrot. Oh no. What about some arms, Elsie?